select new file, part, give OK. This is a closed loop which I have drawn in by using sketch with the front plane. Here we are going to see extrude option. Go to features, click extrude and select the loop. Carefully observe that the material is adding perpendicular to the sketch. The total depth can be adjusted here. While extruding itself, we can give some angle or draft. See, now the surface is not straight, it is giving extruding with some angle. I am changing the draft angle. Now you can clearly see that there is some draft. If you want to make it outward draft, select the box. Automatically the inward draft will change it to outward draft. You can select the direction 2 also, so that wherever you have drawn the sketch in the front plane, right, from that plane the opposite side also the material will be added. See, I am just changing the total depth here, again 50 units to the other direction. Similarly, the draft feature automatically ordered for the direction 2 also. If you want, you can keep it, otherwise simply switch off. The whole body can be accepted here, otherwise you can verify one or more feature. This is thin feature, and you can change the thickness here. Let me take it 2 mm, or we can take it 0.5 mm, and because of this draft it is not showing properly, so I am switching off this draft. Now you can see the difference between thin feature on, see, it is a hollow feature. Now you can accept the model, otherwise you can again go to the extrude and edit the sketch and switch off the thin feature. By using the same sketch, click the revolve button and it will ask you the axis. So I am just selecting this line. See what is happening. The whole cross section is revolved around 360 degree. Now it is a complete solid. You can accept here. I just want to delete this revolve option. Again going revolve option, selecting any one line. The system will automatically calculate the axis of revolution by which line you are selecting. Suppose if you select this line, system will generate object like this. Again, suppose I am clearing this selection of axis, and suppose if I select this line, the system will generate 360 degree revolution with respect to that axis, so that the complete solid will be filled. There is one more feature in revolve options, like what we have seen in direction 1 and direction 2 in extrude. Similarly, you can check the direction 2 and you can give some specified number of degrees. That means I want to 30 degree only to be revolved in one direction, and also another direction also I want to revolve only 30 degree. By keeping the sketch as a middle plane, the system will generate half in that one direction and half in another direction. You can simply accept it. If you wanted to give a 360 degree rotation, then go to edit feature and uncheck this direction 2 and give 360 degree. That is the complete revolution. And if you want to change the axis of revolution, click this, clear the selection, right click and clear the selection. Select the line which you want to give axis of revolution. By using the same concept, we can do extrude cut and revolved cut. Here the two options are there. You please go through by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can make it a comment. The another one important options I am going to see here, fillet. If you select the tangent line, automatically the system will calculate the radius, the minimum radius, and will give you very smooth contour. If you want to accept, you just click accept. Okay, I am deleting this fillet option. I am going to show you a different fillet called variable fillet. Select the fillet, select the line. Here there is another one more option, that is variable size fillet. If you click that, the moment you click that, the system will ask you number of points. See here, it is showing only P1. You can add P2 by clicking the point. P1, P2, P3 are the 4 points which is already assigned a fillets. Now I want to keep P1 and P2 as 10 mm radius, and P3 I want to make it as 15 mm radius. Similarly for P4 I want to make it as 15 mm radius. See, this is totally a different kind of fillet, right? By using these options, you can create very different surfaces. Constant fillet. Simply accept the fillet. So this is a revolved option, but there is some variable fillet. Again, you have a cell option here. If you remove the surface, any one side surface, and make the thickness, see, here it is completely hollow. Whatever the surfaces you don't want, you simply select the surface and remove it. Thank you. We will see you in next class.